Hey guys, welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. So guys, once again I'm present with the latest update of the XRP Ripple coin. What's going on in the XRP? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos. So guys, at this time the XRP market is completely positive in the market. Just let me show you the latest update, latest changes occur in the XRP. You can see here guys that here the changes occur in the XRP is positive. Only yesterday for some time the price of the XRP falls down, so that's why a lot of people are worrying about XRP Ripple coin. But don't worry, don't take it serious, that is a temporary. And with after some passage of time, the changes of the XRP will become more positive. I mean, they take a quick jump, they take a huge bump after some passage of time. Anyways, other side, if you talk about the price of the XRP in the market to 1.23 cent, that is the current live price of the XRP in the market. And 6 is the market rank. Let's show you the price chart. Now you can see if we do a tactical analysis, if we do a realistic price protection. So you can see guys, at this time the price falls down, after falls the price bump, again the price falls down, and now at this time you can see here the latest situation I'm talking about, that the price again start pumping guys. So now from this chart my prediction is like that now the price will pump. But we can't say about the future that this pump will continue for 1 day, for 1 hour, for 2 hours. We can't say. But I'm sure about that now they are in the pumping mode. Anyways, guys, you can see here yesterday, that is the last 3 days price change chart. Sorry, negative 2.3936%. The changes is negative, but the latest situation is positive. So very soon the price will become high. So don't lose hope, just hold guys, everything will be okay. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of updates and news videos.